Yo, yo. First off, props to you guys. Kanina sa unang excuse me. Props to you guys sa unang performance kanina. Even though the music got off, pero medyo ang tagal ng transition eh, bago niyo tinuloy. What I like about that is your persistence, yung determination you to go on. Okay? The fighting spirit that you have. That's what I like about the crew. Okay? Even though without music, you still dance with it. Alright? Props to that one. But I was expecting more on the second chance. Since that was the second chance already, you should have done better. Okay? You should have done better. Because I was the second chance, man. Sana, you learned already kung ano yung nawala sa yung first round. Right? But choreography-wise, you did good. At nalabasan din kami isa. Mas makikita yung mga place na din sa mga girls. Right? Anyway, props to you guys. I know you can do better. Alright? Just trust. Huwag niyo kalimutan niya. Okay? God bless you. God bless.
Thank you so much, Sir Riker. And also thank you, hip hop community.